In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your WooCommerce single product page and customize it exactly the way you want. Whether you want to change the layout, rearrange elements, or better match your brand style, here's the quickest and simplest way to do it. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, open Appearance and then select Editor, also known as the Site Editor. This is where you can change all your template designs. Once inside, look at the left panel and click Templates. This section controls different layouts across your website. You are looking for the single product or product template. If it appears in the list, open it. If it's missing, you can create it manually by choosing Add New Template, selecting Single Item, and then choosing Product. WordPress will generate a default WooCommerce layout for you. Now, your product page template will appear with standard WooCommerce blocks such as product image, title, price, description, and reviews. You can rearrange any block simply by dragging and dropping it. This allows you to structure your page exactly how you want. To adjust styling, use the Gutenberg side panel on the right. Here you can change spacing, colors, alignment, and typography. You can also style key elements like the Add to Cart button or stock indicator to fit your branding. Take your time experimenting until the page feels visually consistent and user-friendly. Once your changes are complete, click Save at the top of the editor to apply everything to your live WooCommerce store. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've redesigned your product page to match your brand and improve your customers' shopping experience.